In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Grab history. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step. For this, you have two options. Option number 1, contact Grab support. Step number 1, this might be the most reliable option for deleting specific trips on your entire history. Step number 2, open the Grab app and navigate to the account section, usually found at the bottom right corner of the app. Step number 3, from there scroll down and look for help center or support. Step number 4, look for a chat option or contact information to reach a Grab support representative. Step number 5, explain that you had like to delete your Grab history and inquire about the possibility. Option number 2, manage individual bookings. Step number 1, while you can't delete your entire history at once, you might be able to remove bookings individually depending on your region and app version. Number 2, go to your My Booking section. Number 3, find the specific ride you want to remove and tap on it for details. Number 4, look for an option called Cancel Booking History or something similar. This option might not be available in all regions or app versions. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.